We are in Hyderabad bicycle station here in Gachibowli. The special event was the event of Aditya. You have seen Aditya. Aditya is a physically challenged person. About 5 years back, he lost one leg in an accident. And after that, he got over his depression and he has taken up the challenge more than any normal man. And today, he is cycling with one leg, as you can see. He has started on 6th of November from Srinagar, Kashmir, and he is on his way to Kanyakumari, the other tip of the Indian map. And so he is in Hyderabad today, and he has to cover 1100 kilometers now. He already covered 2600 kilometers. He is going to do that in 10 days. So we are really saluting his strength, his perseverance and the challenge that he has taken, and it is in support of him to flag off. Incidentally, you can see the bicycle station. It is constructed by GHMC. Cycles have been given by Hyderabad Metro. It is a joint effort. From tourism, we encourage them that when they go for long cycling, we give them accommodation, some complimentary food and all. Altogether, it has to be done. And why cycling? Cycling in all the heritage sites of the country. You go to Cambridge, you go to Oxford and all, students cycle. It's pollution free. There is no charge for fuel. And therefore, we should promote it more and more where it is possible. And in fact, right now I have decided that we have National Institute of Hospitality Management there, Tourism and Hospitality Management. So we 60, 70 students who are fond of cycling, one of the Sundays in December, they will actually go on a rally on the cycle and all, promoting pollution-free environment.